Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert table landscape in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I insert landscape table in this document. At first, you have to go insert menu. Now click this table option and choose this table like 6 into 3. Then move this table to middle of this page. Now change this table border color. I change this borders white also. Now you can see I insert table landscape in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.